Let's go, everyone. Today, super excited to be unboxing this Supreme backwards tee. So, can't see anything from the packaging yet, but we'll show you the logo or the label before I unbox it. It's called the backwards tee in heather gray. Let's open this up. Just got this in the mail the other week. Finally got time to unbox this for you all. So as you can see, the front has absolutely nothing. There's absolutely nothing on the front. Just has the Supreme logo on the tag. So that's what you pay the big bucks for. Just kidding. So it's called the backwards tee because here's the back and the logo. Get it? It's printed Supreme backwards. That's sick, right? Super sick. So it's Supreme in cursive, baseball type logo, really cool colors. Yeah, let me know what you guys think of this tee in the comment section below. Hope you're all doing well. Follow along for more Supreme unboxing videos. Take care, everyone. Later.